Hello, this is my school project presentation. The project name is Coffee and Tea Vending Machine. I write the PLC program for this project and controlled by HMI. This screen is also called HMI touch screen. I use this touch screen to control the whole operation. This screen also called Coffee and Tea Vending Machine touch screen. Here go show that to start. So I go test here and we go change to the next screen. That screen also called vending machine main screen. Here go. When I start the operation, the LED is turned to green color. So I press the start button. So the LED is turned to green. Here go show the choose the cup side. Here go to cup side, normal cup and left cup. Yes, I choose the normal cup. The normal cup LED, normal cup outlet is open. Here also go show insert the cash $2 or insert the coin $2. Once I insert the cash or coin, the cup is come out from outlet and the cup outlet is closed. So now I choose the left cup. Or left cup also same as normal cup. But left cup is more expensive. Here go is the $4 cash, $4 coin. Once I put the $4 coin or $4 cash, the cup is come out from cup outlet and the left cup outlet is closed. So now I go put the $4 coin. So here go left cup outlet is closed. The left cup is come out from cup outlet. The total cup is 5, now draw to 4. Once we choose the cup ready, so now we choose the drink, coffee or tea. Here also go show, choose only one drink at a time, click on picture. So first I choose the coffee first. So now we click the next, we change to the another screen. This screen also called ready-made drink screen. This screen it already show the left coffee is blinking. Because the previous screen I choose the left coffee. So here go the left coffee left. This screen go a lot of the small part. So the first part is select the sugar level. The second is select the milk level. The another two is coffee outlet and tea outlet. The last two is hot water outlet and the motor stair. So far we the sugar level got 3 part. For the no sugar, the 50% sugar for 6 seconds and the 100% sugar for 10 seconds. The milk also same up the sugar. So now when we working the work process is when I put the all ingredient and this meaning is inside the machine is one container. So I put the all ingredient at the same time, all the outlet is open. This meaning is I put 100 sugar, full milk, all the outlet open for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, all the outlet is closed. And then now the motor stair is start to stay for the ingredient for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the motor stair is stopped. The ready-made outlet is open. Come out from outlet is to go 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the finish button is appear. So the your drink is already. So I press the finish. The machine is automatically stopped and the one circuit is complete. So now this time I go choose the normal cup. So I press the start again. So now I choose the normal. Same like the normal cup, outlet open. I put the coin and now the cup will come out from normal cup outlet. So just now if 5, now go to change to 4. So now this time I choose the tea. So I go to next. This time I go choose 50 sugar, half milk. So the handmill or the outlet is open. Now I'm going to choose the normal T. So here go one go left for 6 seconds. But the hot water outlet in the motor steer time being I put the constant 10 seconds respectively. After 10 seconds, the motor is stopped. And the wait for another 10 seconds to come out from the ready-made drain outlet. 4, 3, 2, 1. So now here go finish. I got the finish. I know that the finish button. I cannot choose here anything. Now I go choose no maker. I cannot choose the less. I cannot choose anything. So I must press the finish button. So I go press finish, and then the machine is automatically stopped. So now we press the start button again. Now I choose the normal cash. Now this time I put the cash. Now I choose the coffee. This time I don't want coffee. I want tea. So how to choose the tea? Here go one button. This is called the reset charger. So I press this button and can choose the another session. So this time I choose the tea. I want the coffee. So reset and select the coffee. Then press next. Now this time I go choose no sugar, no mix. No sugar, no mix meaning is that there's two outlet cannot be open because I don't put the sugar or mix. So the outlet don't want to be open. So here now they go to the motor steer for 10 seconds. Now I go choose the normal coffee. So here go choose normal coffee. So here go left. So now the wait for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ready and press finish. The machine is stop. Now I want to show about the stop button how to work. So I press the start. Now I'm going to choose the normal cut. This time I put the coin. This time I'm going to choose the T. Next. Now I choose the no sugar handmade. This timing this machine got any problem happen. So I want to stop. I press the stop button. Now all the operation is stopped, no working. So the cut is thrown by user. Now I press the start again. So I choose the normal cut again. Put the coin. Just now I put the T. Click name and put now 50 sugar, no milk. So this timing now I cannot choose. Now go normal T 6 seconds. 10, 2, 1. Now this time I cannot choose anything because some people go here this is the touch screen. So some people come here to click for happen. Now what happen because I all put the download, so they cannot press anything here. 4, 3, 2, 1. This string is ready. This time also cannot press anything. Same. Okay. So now I want to put the finish. Then machine is stopped. So now here got cup in left one only. So see the light bar. I press the start again. Now I choose the normal cup. I put the coin. Now here the cup is 0. So here the LED tree is blinking. The blinking means is I need to top up the cup. Here got no more cup already. So this time I go choose the coffee next. Now here I left it the coffee. Now this reset button how and now I press the full milk, but suddenly I go change my mind. I don't want the full, I want half milk. Also choose because I all in the lock. So now I'm going to put the reset. So I put the half. Here go put the sugar. I put the 50% sugar. So the two outlet is open for 6 seconds. Coffee outlet for 6 seconds. Hot water is 10 seconds. This 4 is working at the same time. Then the start to stay. The motor is stay for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the ready-made outlet is open for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, your drink is ready to drink already. So I want to press to main screen. Now press. Now here go LED and no light. You no light because the machine is totally stopped. No power already. So here go LED is no blinking. but we start the machine, but here go LED is start to blinking. Here he say no more cap, but now this time I want to choose normal cap, but cannot choose because here go no cap. I need to top it, so I go click to effect. So now here go 5. The LED blinking is also no more. Now this time we can choose. I can choose already. Now this time I go choose the for left cap. So I go choose the left cap. I go show $4. So I put the cash $4. This time I choose coffee again. So the next, this time I go choose 50 sugar full milk. So the timing is in 1. Okay, the outlet close. After 1-2 seconds, 1 second, outlet close. Let out coffee outlet close. The hot water outlet close. The motor starts to go. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, stop. And then wait. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The finish button appear. After that we click the left coffee also gone again. Here also no more. So now we will start to. I want to show at the last 0. So I go press the start again. So I go choose the left, choose the coin or T. Click next. I go choose the no sugar hot milk. Let's do the same timing. The program is the all the how to say all the same procedure one. We know the first procedure, then after all the last one is all the same procedure one. Nothing to change. Only for I open here go in the long one because some people are here he say go here got touch screen, so I'm going to press here, but the machine is running, so we cannot press anything. We also say now I'm going to choose the left cut. I cannot choose the normal one because here is the left cut already. So here also we cannot choose anything one because the machine is still running. So once I go for finish, then we can choose again. So now still got left 2. And we still go to the 0. So I'm going to left. Now this time I cannot choose anything because I want this one I control by the cash or coin detector. We cannot pay the money and we cannot choose the anything one. So here also cannot choose one. No pay money, we cannot take it or anything. So we pay first. So I put the coin, then we choose the coffee. So I go next. This time 50 full milk. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that one I put that one. Just close only. So now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, go. So we can go. Don't want to go the now we press the finish first. So finish button. We don't want to go the main screen. We press just the press the back. So we can go to back. So now also go stop. I want to start. I want to show here the equal to 0. The LED is blinking. It's go blinking or not. I want to show one. So I press the again. So now I go to left. So I pay the money first. So I put the coin. So now the equal to now also go blinking. Now here also we can top up one. Okay, now I want top up 5. Click here. So LED also no more already because he wanted to 5 already. So now here go look at this the final one. I go choose the T. Next, now this time I go choose all the no sugar, no milk. So here go no outlet open. So here go I go choose the left T for 3 seconds. 2, 1, the off. It's also off. Yeah, correct. So then now go the motor start to stay all in green for 10 seconds. Now go 3, left 2, 1. Then the motor stop and come out the way for the train come out from the outlet. So after come out from outlet, the train is already. Then the finish button appear. So once we press the finish button, go back to main screen. Want to start? Check again. Here go store. Yeah, here also store already. So yes, go to the main screen. So this is for my school project presentation. Thanks for watching.